Hello, this is LindaMay, and today we're going to have a look at making what I call tulip pockets. Here you can see some samples of those pockets where you've got space for 2 tags, or you could make the pocket higher and not just have 2 levels but 3 levels or 4 levels, depending on how high your journal is and where you want to put the pockets. Really easy to make, so let's get started. Now at the moment I've got here in front of me some double-sided scrapbook paper. This is Indian Summer by Clarity Stamps, and it's much easier to make these pockets if you have double-sided paper. This one here is from the same range, see, double-sided, and this one also. So the first thing to do is to find a plate. Is the easiest way. This plate's about 8 inches wide. You can do this with compasses. So if you've got a pair of compasses, just set it up for 4 inches and that will give you an 8-inch circle. So we place the plate on the paper. Draw around the plate. Now you can either cut it out with ordinary scissors, as this one has been cut out with ordinary scissors, or with decorative scissors. This one's been cut with decorative scissors. So today we'll do decorative scissors, and these are Viscars paper edges. This is the mini pinking ones. So we'll cut out our circle. Have to be perfect. Follow the line round. Okay, if you have any pencil lines, the easiest thing to do is to rub them out at this stage. So we'll just carefully rub round just to remove the pencil. There we are. Then fold the circle in half and score. Now if I'd take a knife and just split seems to be the easiest way to do it. And then you have 2 half circles, and you have to decide which one you want, which side you want on the inside. And we'll go for the plainer one on the inside. Fold those in half gently and just catch the centre there, and the same on the other one. So you can clearly see a centre mark there. Now, because this is an 8-inch approximately circle, we need to score some fold lines. So if I bring in my scoreboard, to make it easier, I line that fold, little tiny fold, up at the 6-inch mark on my scoreboard, and I'm going to score 1 3/4 each side of centre. Now this will give you a 3.5-inch wide pocket. So 1 3/4, so that's 7 3/4 on that side, and 4 1/4 on that side. Do the same with the other half. Line it up to the 6-inch mark. 7 3/4 on one side, 4 1/4 on the other. Put the scoreboard away. Now we fold in and fold in and fold in and fold in. Now at this point, if you want to distress the edges, which, because we've got here where we've cut, we've got white edges, so it would be rather nice to just clear that off. So we'll bring in our distress ink and a blender. You only need to do this to the curved edges up to the back, because that part will be stuck down, and part along there. And then if you look at it when it's closed up, you'd need to do that back edge and there, that's done. And it certainly makes it look better if you take the white edges off. There we are. Now decide which way round you want to fold these. Try and be consistent if you can. Which one is going to go on top? Now that one has a little bit more patterning, so I'm going to put that one on top, I think. So that's how I want it to be. Now once you've got it lined up like that, hold it tightly and turn it over and put a pencil mark along the back like that, and that'll give you a good guide for gluing them together. So first of all, we need to glue the sides in, and for that I've got some tacky glue. Now all you need to do is to glue along this edge and along this edge, and a little spot of glue to hold the flap down. You close it down like that. Repeat for the other one. There. Okay, so when you turn it over, you've got the pencil line, blue above the pencil line, turn it over and lay that back down on there. There you are, your tulip pocket.